Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about two powerful natural ingredients that can help prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth, rosemary and clove. You'll learn what science says about them, and I'll show you exactly how to use them safely and effectively. Let's start with rosemary. Rosemary, or Rosmarinus officinalis, is an aromatic herb from the Mediterranean region. Studies have shown that rosemary oil can be as effective as 2% minoxidil, which is one of the most common medical treatments for hair loss. In a 6-month clinical trial, people who used rosemary oil had significant hair regrowth, similar to those who used minoxidil. So how does it work? It improves blood circulation in the scalp, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach the hair follicles. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid that protect hair roots from damage. It might also help block DHT, a hormone linked to androgenic hair loss in both men and women. Now let's talk about clove, Syzygium aromaticum. Clove contains a natural compound called eugenol, which has strong antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. That means it can help keep your scalp clean, reduce dandruff, and create a healthy environment for new hair to grow. So when you combine rosemary and clove, you're targeting both circulation and scalp protection, a perfect duo. There are 2 easy and safe ways to use them. 1. Rosemary and clove hair oil. You'll need 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, like coconut, jojoba, or argan oil. The 5-7 drops of rosemary essential oil, 2 to 3 drops of clove essential oil. Instructions. 1. Mix them well in a small glass bottle. 2. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and gently massage your scalp for about 3-5 minutes. This stimulates blood flow and helps the oils absorb. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if your scalp tolerates it well. 4. Rinse it out with a mild shampoo. Repeat this routine 2-3 times a week. Always do a patch test first. Both rosemary and clove oils are potent and can cause irritation if used undiluted. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil. Never apply them directly to your scalp. Avoid contact with your eyes or mucous membranes. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have medical conditions, check with your doctor first. Remember, natural remedies take time and consistency, usually 3 to 6 months to see visible results. So that's how rosemary and clove can help reduce hair loss and promote stronger, healthier hair. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried rosemary or clove for your hair? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.